something.
It's the show that takes candy-ass crafters and turns them into beasts. Do you even craft, bro?
What you got there, bro?
Just some things for a scrapbook for my wife, my kids, and I are going to put together for Mother's Day for her.
Wow, that sounds awesome.
Can I ask you a question, bro?
Sure.
I'm Willie Days.
Do you even craft, bro?
Is this even an actual question?
Do you even love your wife, bro? Do your kids even love her?
Yeah, dick face.
That's questionable, bro. I know if I loved your wife, I wouldn't be giving her a scrapbook. What the hell is this, Sweet Valley High?
I'm not quite sure what that means, but I'm sure it's a high school, and I'm sure it's in Sweet Valley.
This is one of the things that my wife wanted that was on her Mother's Day list.
No, it wasn't, bro.
Yeah, it was.
I'm gonna tell you what. We're gonna help you make something she really wants. A life-size prop of Norma Bates' mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about positive that's not anything she'd ever want.
Yes, she does, bro.
Yes. Let's get started.
So we're gonna do this thing standard corpsing with a plastic drop cloth and a skeleton. Sure, we don't have to do the whole body because we're gonna cover this old hag up with a dress. But like everything else, I go 110%, bro. Next, we're gonna spray paint the whole thing black. Notice we haven't touched the head. We're gonna do something different there, bro.
Oh, Norman Bates. Guess what we're working on, bro?
Sorry, bro.
We already used that joke.
Oh, Jason Voorhees, what do you know? Guess what we're working on today?
Your mom!
Dorks.
Okay, we're gonna replace the face on this skull because these teeth are no bueno. I'm gonna use this skull instead. I'm gonna build up the face a little bit with some clay and then go over it with hot glue to get the wrinkly effect. Then just replace it and hot glue that back into place.
This is the worst Mother's Day gift ever.
It's time for the shop towels and liquid latex. Put some liquid latex on the skull, then put shop towels on top of that, then go back over top of that with some more liquid latex. Cover the whole skull and let this thing dry.
Remember, everyone, a colonoscopy is a procedure only checking to see if the microchip that was inserted in your anus when you were a baby is still there.
Bro, what in the hell are you talking about? The next step in this is to paint this skull a base layer of black. Then I'm going to sponge paint it with this mixture of brown, red, yellow, black, and gray that I threw together.
That's absolutely sick, Chip.
Last step is to throw the dress and the wig on this old hag and she's ready to party.
Man, my wife is gonna divorce me.
Don't be so emotional.
Looks pretty sweet, but she's missing something, bro. Perfect, bro. Alright, bro, let's bring in your wife.
So, I really hope you like your Mother's Day gift we got you.
I hope it's the scrapbook I wanted.
It's better. Way better.
What the is that?
Okay, well, I can see that you two need some alone time, so we're gonna get out of here. Well, bro, I'd say that's another successful episode of You Even Craft, bro.
Yeah, Chip, it was a great episode. And remember, everybody, Canadian geese are almost extinct.
He's crafting!